Question number 4. 5y square plus 5y minus 10. If you observe this expression, you will come to know that here 5 is common in each term. So here we take out 5 as a common. So inside the bracket, from the first term left y square, from the middle term plus y, and from the last term minus 2, because 5 2s are 10. Okay. So now product of first and last term is y square multiply by 2, which is 2y square. Operation sign is given before last term, that is minus. Middle term is y, and factors of product, that means 2y square. Now we need to find out factors of 2y square. 2 is coming in the table, 2 itself. So 2 ones are 2. We have to follow subtraction. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 1 means y only. So that only our middle term. So correct factors are 2 ones are 2. Okay. This y square is there. So one y will go with 2 and another with 1. Okay. Now here we have to follow the subtraction. Okay. When subtraction is possible? When one term is positive and another one is negative. So first we will find out for the middle term which sign is there, plus. So that is why greater number plus and a smaller one is minus. Understand? Now we will write down our steps. So this common 5 will kept as it is. Inside the bracket, first term as it is. Instead of middle term, we are going to write down the factors. So plus 2y. Now minus 1y is nothing but y. So minus y, and the last term minus 2. Okay. Now we got here 4 terms. So we will make the pair of 2 terms. So this 5 remains as it is. From the first term, we will take y as a common. Inside the bracket, y plus 2. Because from y square 1y we already taken common. Then 1y left, plus from this 2y we have taken y common. So inside the bracket 2. Now minus sign. Now from the second pair, if you observe here, there is no common term. Means nothing same. So when no common terms, that means we will take 1 as a common. So inside the bracket y. Now this minus will change, it become plus because outside the bracket minus sign. Okay. Or if you have confusion, you follow the first bracket. So y plus 2. Bracket close. Now we got here y plus 2 common. Okay. Now the next step, 5 remains as it is. This common bracket we will write down 1. So y plus 2, and in another bracket remaining term, that are y minus 1. Okay. So we got here answer 5 y plus 2, and in another bracket y minus 1. Next question is p square minus 2p minus 35. Here product of first and last term is p square multiply 35 is a 35p square. Operation sign before last term, which is minus. Middle term is minus 2p. And now we will find out factors of product 35p square. So 35 is coming in the table. 5 7s are 35. 7 minus 5. We have to follow the subtraction. So 7 minus 5 is 2. That only our middle term. So correct right factors are 7 5s are. This p, from this p square, one p will go with 7, another one will go with 5. Okay. Now we have to follow subtraction because operation sign is that. So when it is possible, when one factor is positive and another one is negative. Okay. So for that, see that what is the sign of middle term? Minus. That means greater term minus and smaller term will be plus. Okay students. Now we will write down the step. So when we are writing the step, first term remains as it is. Instead of middle term, we are going to write down factors that are minus 7p plus 5p minus 35. Now we got 4 terms. So we will make a pair of 2 terms. Okay. From first pair, p will come common inside the bracket. From p square, p left. Minus from 7p, 7 will left. Now plus sign. From second pair, 5 from the later term nothing common. So from number term, 5 will come as a common inside the bracket. P minus 5 7s are 35. So here it will come 7. Okay. Now we got the bracket same, which is P. Now we will write this common bracket once, that is P minus 7, and the next bracket it will come P plus 5. Okay. So answer is P minus 7 and P plus 5 for the given quadratic trinomial.